Hey everybody, it's Dr. Tony D at Elev8 Chiropractic in Ames, Iowa, and I just wanted to drop this video for you today to help give you a feel for what visits to our office are going to look like going forward as we continue to navigate this public health crisis together. As many of you know, we've taken a couple weeks here to gear up. We've collected the best possible and best available guidance that we could get in order to design a process for you to where your visits to the office are going to be as safe as they possibly can be. So the first step that we've taken is we are only going to allow one patient into our office at a time. So that means if you have a scheduled appointment, when you get to the parking lot, please call or text the office number, and we will let you know when there is a table available for you. Once you enter the office, if their table is not immediately available for you, we would ask that you're going to step to this circle on the carpet in the reception area. We'll call it our waiting spot here. And from this position, if we pan over, you'll notice that we have plenty of clearance towards the front desk to keep appropriate social distancing while you are waiting. From here, all of your materials for your visit will already be prepared for you at the table. So you are just gonna bypass right by the counter and you are going to head back to an available table. So for example, we're gonna stop at the first one here. So what you'll notice as you come back is your travel card will already be on the platform and waiting. You will not have to handle travel cards during this time. So even after your visit, once it's done, leave it there on the platform and our staff members will return it to the desk. When you get to the table, there will already be a face paper on the table waiting for you as well. So once you get back to the table, go ahead and get yourself onto the table and ready for your adjustment. So while you're getting adjusted, just to let you know, a member of our team, either Brittany or Emmy, will be going through and sanitizing the previously used table, clearing those areas off, sanitizing any areas inside the office where a previous patient would have made contact, including the counters, credit card machine, and the door handles. So just know sanitization is absolutely key at this point. That will all be occurring while you are going through the process of getting adjusted. Once they're done, our staff member will wash their hands and return to the desk to get ready to help you check out. Once you are finished with your adjustment, we'll have you head back towards the front of the office to check out. If our staff member has not completed her duties yet in terms of cleaning and sanitizing from the previous visit, we would ask that you head to another one of our please wait here spots, which we have in the front office area. So we'd have you grab a spot. Once again, we'll pan over. Notice we've got plenty of clearance here for our staff member to have a proper social distancing radius to get past you and to get back towards the desk. In terms of checkout process, we would ask at this point to have credit card use only at this point. So we really want to minimize the amount of cash that we need to handle and minimize the amount of checks that we're handling. So once our staff member gives you the go-ahead, head right onto the counter and to use the credit card machine. Our staff member will back up back to the counter, which will once again give appropriate social distancing space. Once you put your card in the machine, we would ask during processing that you head back to the wait here spot in the front of the office. That will allow our team member to return to the computer, process your payment, generate a receipt if necessary, and from there, our staff member can back up to the cabinets again to give you space, and you can return to the credit card machine, snag a card if you've got it, snag a receipt if necessary, which we'll put up on the counter for you, and prepare to leave the office. As you are checking out from your visit, I will be stepping into the restroom to wash my hands, and I will also be swabbing the instrument to prepare those items for our next patient. One thing that can help streamline that checkout process is if you allow us to keep your credit card number on file. So we have a fully secure and encrypted system for being able to keep credit card numbers on file. So we will ask you, if you are using a credit card to check out, we are certainly going to ask you if we can keep that on file. And once again, that is something that can help streamline that checkout process to make those visits even more streamlined and efficient. So hopefully we've been able to convey to you through this video that we do have a process here where we are available for you to help you with the care that you need right now while we're certainly going through a challenging time. And that we've really built and really refined a process to allow us to do that in the safest way that we possibly can. So just also know we are obtaining personal protective devices for ourselves as well. That will include masks, eye protection. Once again, we are doing everything that we possibly can to help create an environment where you can get the care you need in the safest way possible. So we look forward to serving you soon. Be safe, be well.